Hello, my name is Pengi from Penang Science Cluster. It gives me great pleasure today to launch the Chemistry of Esters program, another installment in our rebranded Lab on Wheels initiative. This program is brought to you courtesy of the partnership between Penang Science Cluster and Agilent Technologies Malaysia. Through the Esters program, we hope to make the learning of organic chemistry come alive for our secondary school students. Besides learning the sciences, students will learn the analytical equipment and techniques used in industry, the applications of chemistry in everyday life, and the jobs available in industry. I would like to thank Agilent Technologies team and the teachers that worked with PSC team to develop this workshop. My appreciations too goes to all the teachers who will be helping PSC to bring this workshop to their students in school. Lastly, Penang Science Cluster is grateful to Agilent Technologies Malaysia for the sponsorship of this program and the strong support and collaboration that they have given us throughout the years. Thank you, Agilent Technologies Malaysia. And of course, do enjoy the workshop. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a good afternoon for everyone. Congratulations to Penang Science Cluster and Agilent Technologies for launching the Chemistry of Esters program. JPNPP Penang has worked with Penang Science Cluster for many years to introduce hands-on workshops to our students and inspire them in STEM. JPN values PSC's numerous initiatives with industry to help our teachers and students. This has made Penang one of the leading states in STEM education in Malaysia. I strongly encourage all principals and teachers to engage Penang Science Cluster in the numerous programs PSC has to offer, and to work with PSC to make learning of science come alive for our students. Thanks, a million thanks.
Agilent is proud to sponsor and partner with Penang Science Cluster to bring the Chemistry of Esters program to benefit all secondary school students in Penang for their learning of chemistry. Agilent is a leader in the life sciences, diagnostic, and applied chemical field. So it's a pleasure for Agilent partnering with Penang Science Cluster to help highlight a key topic for STEM education through a program that adopt an engaging and interesting hands-on learning experience. We have a strong partnership with Penang Science Cluster. Outcome of this partnership is a number of programs that we have collaborated together to support STEM education. The program Chemistry of Esters is one of them. Right now in the pipeline, we are exploring more exciting programs that we look forward to bringing and introducing them to schools in Penang.
Congratulations to Penang Science Cluster for launching the Chemistry of Esters program sponsored by Agilent Technologies. As the leading industrial state in the country, Penang continues to move forward with increasing foreign investment. For instance, in the first half of 2020, Penang attracted 8.42 billion of manufacturing foreign direct investments, representing almost 50% of the national total. All these investments from the high-tech industry requires a large and skilled technical workforce. Therefore, the Penang state government is committed in supporting the development of our students to achieve their highest potential and to be our future talents that will drive Penang and Malaysia forward. In 2009, the state government formed the Penang Science Cluster to collaborate with the industry and community to inspire our students in science, technology, and innovation, and to encourage them to pursue STEM's career in the future. Today's launch of the Chemistry of Esters program with Agilent Technologies is yet another fine example of the collaboration with industry, and I hope that we are able to see many more of such collaborations in the near future. In closing, I would like to record my appreciation to Agilent Technologies for sponsoring this program and partnering with Penang Science Cluster to assist our teachers and students. Thank you very much.